Hello, dear friends. Yesterday, I have posted a particular video about the stable equilibrium. After that, there was some intellectual discussion. It happened with a fella. We were drifted into the Morse code. Every of the rest of the other things are hacked, but not this one. So I had to say it. So what's it all about? I'll just get back. Stable equilibrium, I have a very broad concept about it. Still, I'll try to break it whenever my time comes, but not yet. So now what? This is the new facility has been given by Zoom. You can try to use it. So what's this all about? Ciphering, deciphering, I think it's an instinct when it starts somewhere in 8th standard. 8th, 9th, and 10th. Later on, the higher level maths when it diffuses into the life. These things have been eluded. 8th, 9th, 10th, deciphering, ciphering stuff. So whenever there was an discussion about the prisons, I should be kept in a prison, then came communication, and how the two prisoners who they were quarantined, they should communicate. I started with Morse code, then he come out with something else. What something else was? He said that let's say if alphabets are there, A, B, त्याची भाषा हे असं आमच्या शाळेत आम्ही ऐकलेलं, पण ते काय एवढं काही इम्प्रेसिव्ह नव्हतं. त्याची भाषा ठीक आहे, जाऊ दे सॉरी. टी, ई, एफ, टी. फुलबाग एक असं मॅगझिन होते, त्याच्यामध्ये असं काहीतरी होतं. You have to take a cardboard exactly at the size of A4 and you have to cut a corner and you have to make the squares. त्याच्यावर असे चौकोन कट करायचे. हे लोअर लेवल डिसायफरिंग सायफरिंग व्हॉट आय हॅव डन ॲट माय टाइम. हे कुठे कट करायचं हे पण मी विसरलो आता. हे कोणाच्या जर लक्षात असेल, फुटबॉल पुस्तक कोणाला जर मिळालं, ह्याच्यामध्ये जर मिळालं काय हे मी बोलतोय ते, तर कदाचित तुम्हाला कळेल मी काय म्हणतो ते. तो लेट्स से सपोज इफ द मेसेज इज टू बी रिटन, मी आज गणिते सोडवणार आहे, तर इकडे मी लिहिणार, इकडे आज गणिते सोडवणार आहे. And then once all these squares has been filled, you have to flip it up. You have to flip it up like this. So maybe the new pattern is available. This, and this. Maybe it's an arrangement of all the queens on a chessboard, whatever was. And you write one more. Then this corner is to be placed over here. Let's say suppose if the message is too long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. More than 8 letters. Let's say suppose if there are but 32 letters you can accommodate with the help of this. 32 letters. I mean 32 letters, no, 32 words in fact. Miss Alanis Morissette with the great vocals. I'm searching for your friends who they think original like this. Please let me know just in case if you meet any of them or you have any of them. So then again here onwards it starts. There'll be again 8 words available like this. And whenever you write the entire page with the particular message, all the words, they need to be strangled. It doesn't make any sense. Of course, they'll make some sense if you have the words by some common way. But it's a lower level ciphering, deciphering. Lower level means with the words, maybe you'll get a crude sense. But still, that was fun when I was in 9th standard. Now, this what he said yesterday was something different. We were drifted into the Morse code. What sort of a Morse code was it? You can say like this. He said that all the 26 letters. आता मराठीमध्ये प्रॉब्लेम काय आहे याच्यामध्ये लेटर्स मोर्स बोलेल बाद झालं तिच्या आईला आता मराठी नको. तर what he said that 26 letters he'll divide into the bunch of 5. Bunch of 5 means A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. O, P, combinatorial mathematics. L. Anybody's good? Most welcome. Anytime. The punch. Or A, B, C, D, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. And then it'll go on like this up to Z. So maybe Z will be alone. So overall, you'll need 5 groups and related Z. I don't know what to do. You can think about it and you can get back. So now let's say suppose if I want to, I'll say write a letter C. So for the first group, I'll give a one big bang. And then for this, I'll give 3 dots. That's how the Morse code has been written for the letters. So let's say suppose if I have to write I, then I say it's in second group. So 2 and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, according to Mr. Samuel Morse code, whatever it comes, it is much more efficient than this because you need lesser taps. And he thought about it a lot. I mean to say A, I, O, U, the vowels, whatever they comes. They've been given with a short dot and dashes so that they can be used frequently with ease or whatever it is. But still, this was a genuine way of thinking. Now, again, I'll say, let's say, suppose if you have to write the letter L. So it's a third group. So I'll say 3 dots, 3 dashes, and 2 dots. That's how we write the entire message, whatever it comes. I felt very impressive. Yesterday was a whole day was made because of this discussion, what it happened after the whole of the session. So while I wait for you all people to come out with something as this, desperately, I mean it. Combinatorial mathematics is the one thing what we can push from the lower level. Help me to sort out the problems. Geometry, of course, it's there. It's an original way to think on the different way. No, that's a bad English. To see how it goes. I wait. I wait. Thank you and thank you very much.